Now it's time to identify your billionaire talent and your billionaire path. So we've talked about your passions, we've talked about your interests, we've talked about your strengths. Now it's actually time to identify your billionaire talent and your billionaire path. As I showed you in the previous lessons, the talents that can take us to $1 billion net worth are going to be different for every person. That's what you need to know. Like, if you see Arnold Schwarzenegger being out there being an actor, don't just assume that you can be an actor. Not to say you can't, but if it's not your particular talent, you could waste 20 years of your life uh, trying to break into Hollywood and never make it. Whereas if you got a great voice, if you just sung, you could have won a Grammy in year two. You could have been the next Beyonce or the next whoever, whatever singer you love. Um, so I want you to spend time right now identifying your billionaire talent and your billionaire path. Now, your billionaire talent is gonna be what's your great talent, that a God-given talent that's just the greatest in your life, that makes you with almost no effort the best at that kind of thing. Like if you got a talent for computer programming, a lot of people got a talent for cooking. You're a great cook. But it's gotta be like out of all your talents, it's gotta be the best. It's gotta be the most natural, easiest. You might not even be using it. In fact, most people are not using their greatest talent. So don't look at the thing you do at work or that you do in your current business. Like in the majority of cases, that's completely the wrong thing. Uh, Not for making a living. Keep on doing it right now. But go back to your childhood. Start digging at things you've done. What things are your greatest talents? It might be playing a sport. It might be something creative. It might be something that you hardly ever do, or it might be something you do every day if you've nurtured it right. But identify your biggest talent. That's gonna be your billionaire talent. Identify also your billionaire path. Now, your billionaire path is gonna be combining your billionaire talent with the skill and game of business. Because to reach a billion with your talent, you gotta add a business component to it. LeBron James had to be great at his talent, basketball, but he had to also combine that with a business around it, sponsorships, merchandise, advertising deals, being an influencer. These kinds of things are the business side of his $1 billion net worth. Michael Jordan had to do the same thing. Great basketball player, but had to build a business around it. So you might be a great cook, you might be a great singer. Kylie Jenner was a great model, great fashion model, but then she had to build a business around that. So she combined her billionaire talent with a billionaire business plan, and the combination of those two is what created the billionaire.